sister loves you. You're so lucky.
It's getting kind of cold.
Okay, well, let's get him in his car seat and we'll go down and get some breakfast. Thank you for putting his booties on, sweetie.
You're a very good big sister.
Those are his slippers,
Mm-hmm.
not his booties.
Oh, okay. Slippers.
Are you ready to go?